morning guys! We're here at the Rockhampton Airport kasi nga lilipad na po kami tomorrow afternoon guys sa Pilipinas. And then because yung among flight tomorrow guys is morning, so we decided na lang na lilipad kami today and then we'll be staying one night in Sydney, Rogerland, kasi yung ating hampi-dampi guys is yung flight niya is bukas pa po. So, Qantas flight po siya guys, business class, bongga, diba? Business class yung ating hampi-dampi. Pero kami ni Rogerland is Singapore Airlines. So, I hope that she had a really wonderful stay here in Australia. And, okay guys, so I will update you later. So, yan po yung aming breakfast guys. Hot chips with the gravy. It's very yummy. So, nandito na kami guys, nakapag-check-in na kami, and then yung aming flight guys is 10, yung boarding pala guys is 10:10. That's Rockhampton to Brisbane, and then meron din po kami Brisbane to Sydney kaya kasi mag-stay kami ng Sydney kasi yung aming Singapore flight is will be departing in Sydney. So, yung aming Brisbane to Sydney guys is 12:35 yung aming boarding time. So, ayan yung batang ayaw talaga niya umuwi. So, nag-aantay pa kami guys na mag-boarding. So, 10 minutes na lang. Ayun guys, nandito na kami sa hotel ni Rogerland. Ayun, kumakain na siya guys kasi sobrang gutom na siya. So, yan po yung aming dinner guys. Bumili ako ng spicy ramen. So, ilalagay ko lang yung sabaw dyan. At saka si Rogerland is barbecue pork and chow sau chicken. And then, bumili din kami ng pizza guys. $5 worth of pizza. Sarap niya eh. Sobrang sarap niya guys. Good morning pala guys. So mag-check out na kami dito sa hotel namin dito sa Sydney. So all bag is packed. And then yung flight pala namin guys is 11 o'clock. So pumunta na lang kami ng maaga sa airport para wala nang hindi na kami magka-problema. So at the moment yung time natin ngayon guys it's 8:40. So we're planning to leave hotel at 9 o'clock. Makain ako ng XO guys. So ayan guys, i-check lang natin to. Baka may maiwan tayong dito, baka may maiwan tayong Uber taxi. Kasi Uber kasi yung gagamitin namin guys kaysa normal na taxi kasi medyo medyo mahal sila. So magtatawag tayo ng Uber po sa ating cellphone pag nasa baba na tayo, and then guys I will update you later guys. Boarding na kami guys. Ayan, kumakain na siya guys. Sila kasi yung unang binigyan na pagkain yung mga bata. So, yung kinuha niya is beef rendang. At saka nanood din siya ng cartoons. Dumating na kami dito sa Singapore guys, and then we're catching taxi to go to our hotel. Andito na kami sa hotel namin sa Singapore guys. Put the card in here. Ayan. So, maliit lang yung aming room, guys. Kasi nga isang gabi lang kami dito. Yan lang kalaki, guys. Very cute. Ayan. Isang gabi lang kasi kami dito, guys. Kaya, nothing too fancy. As long as meron kaming higaan at saka meron kaming toilet. At saka yung toilet nila is very nice. I like tiles. It looks good. Ayan guys, we're here at Singapore. So naka-check-in na kami sa aming hotel. And then, lalabas kami guys. Pupunta kami ng Chinatown. And then we're having some dinner there. Because I've been there last 2015. And then, lahat-lahat guys, ang daming pagkaon. Meron silang food street sa Chinatown. At saka gusto ko din po talaga, mahilig po ako sa mga night markets. Kaya, pupuntahan po natin yan. So, we're just gonna leave our belongings here. And then, we're going out to do some walking. I'll update you later, guys. Ito po yung view na from sa hotel namin, guys. So, yan lang po yung aming hotel dyan. Nandito na kami sa Singapore, guys. At saka ito po yung ating nightlife here. Andito na kami sa Chinatown, guys. Galing kami sa Merlion. So, ito maglalakad-lakad muna kami and tinitingin kami ng mga shops. Chopstick. Chopstick. Ay, oo, sa buhok. Sabi ng chopstick ka, pero sa buhok pala yan. Bag, kita ka day, tara day. Bili daw siya ng pitaka, guys. Order namin, guys, free combination meat and then rice with may sabaw sila at saka sir Julie kumakain na. So dyan kami bumili, guys, sa Chong Baro Mingkil. So yan, kain muna kami, guys, kasi nagugutom na talaga kami. Kami ng ice cream, guys. Anong flavor gusto mo?
I want this one.
Gusto ako dahil chocolate day. Chocolate na bata. Having our breakfast, guys. So, ito lang yung in-order namin. Ramen. Tonkatsu ramen. At saka sa kanya din tonkatsu ramen, guys. So, that's it. Marunong na siya, oh. Bongacious na ang kanyang chopstick. So, back. Galing. Na yung aming gate, guys. So, andito pa kami guys sa, sa exit, sa labas ng gate kasi hindi pa siya nag-open. So, yung yung departing time guys is 11:50. And then, akala namin guys na 10 o'clock yung departure. Kasi nga, yung sa ticket namin is 10 o'clock. And then, yung nag-check-in kami guys. So, nakalagay pala dun is 11 ang kanyang boarding. At saka ngayon is 11:50 ang aming departing. So, ayan, nandito na kami na Radyo ngayon. Talagang atat na po siyang, atat na po kaming, maka-arrive sa Cebu. But anyway, guys, I will update you later, and then, kasi magchika-chika pa kami dito, guys. Meron kaming na-meet dito, guys, kanina, si Ate Cassie, from, din siya, guys, from Ormoc. But yeah, well, kita-kits tayo mamaya guys. I-update ko kayo pag dumating na kami ng Cebu Airport kasi magkikita kami doon ni Humpty Dumpty kasi I think he arrived earlier than us. So, pero mag-aantay siya sa Cebu Airport guys. But anyway, we'll catch you later.